What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. So we got an unboxing. You set that right there. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Yeah. I'm about ready to put those lights on. I just hadn't had time to do it. Yeah. We ordered something else for the 1500. And we're gonna see what they look like. Oh yeah, they look pretty good. They heavy too. Ooh. Those are metal. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. So I'm probably gonna be installing these tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be installing these tomorrow. They had chrome ones, but I didn't want the chrome ones. I wanted the metal ones. You know what I'm saying? That because the plastic ones, the plastic chrome ones, like I've had the black chrome ones and they warp in the heat. Like the handle, you know what I'm saying, from pulling on the handle so much. But I found these right here. And like you're gonna have to do a little bit of searching. I'll put the and you know the whole thing is metal. So we're gonna install these on the doggone truck. So oh man, they look dope too. We'll go ahead and put this one back up. Here's the other one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Straight metal. So we're probably gonna install these tomorrow. If I have time, I may wake up in the morning because it's at night right now, and I had a tough day at the office. Yep. But anyway, here's the that's the part number right there. Made in China. Yeah, I'm putting Chinese parts on an American vehicle, but it's all good. So I can't wait to put these on. Yeah. Well, it's the next day. As y'all can see them pictures, I already put those corner lights in that chrome grill. So now I had a little birdie tell me about a chrome front bumper, because I want to try. I do like the white, but I got to make everything my own. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the chrome grill, chrome door handles. I'm gonna do the chrome tailgate handle, but I think I'm gonna replace that tailgate because that tailgate got a dent in it. So I'm on my way. To see if I could get a hold of a chrome front bumper, because I'd like to switch everything out today. Go ahead and put my headlights in, go ahead and convert the front to chrome, and if I can get a deal on that chrome front bumper, much better about this particular build. Yeah, I feel much better about this particular build, and I gotta make the truck my own. You know what I'm saying? I thought about putting a Starlight headliner up here, just taking this out and just putting stars in that. But yeah, man, you know, I got the Tahoe put up for the winter. I probably won't be driving it anymore. I mean, because when they start spreading that doggone salt, man, I ain't with it. I ain't with it. I don't, you know, I ain't with it. I don't want the salt up in my frame. And if I didn't have to drive this truck right here, I probably wouldn't, but this is probably one of the best driving trucks I've ever had. I need to do the ball joints. So I'm gonna do the ball joints and the front hub assemblies on this and the Tahoe. I need to put the 60-40 split seat in the Tahoe, but I got to rebuild that seat because the armrest is broken, and then I need to clean it. So I'll get to that one of these days. I just I'm trying to get this 1500 right here ready. You know, ready for the snow, which we were supposed to have snow last week, but they lied. And it's raining all this weekend, so it is what it is. But once we get over here, you know, if he got anything interesting that, you know, because some people don't want to be on camera, you know what I'm saying? But if he got anything interesting over here and he will allow me to show you guys, I will. But if not, I'll be back and let y'all know the results of the chrome bumper. I'm really hoping he got one. I really am, you know what I'm saying? And I hope it's already off the truck. Yeah. But anyway, if you would, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications. That way you're notified whenever I drop another video. It's another cold night. Yeah, another cold night in the shop. And I'm finna go ahead and install these doggone lights. It's late. And I got water running all through my shop. Remember I told you I had my shop leaks, man. So like, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? My shop leaks. I got a lake. I got a lake over here. I got a boogeyman tree up there. So it is what it is. But I didn't get around to doing what I wanted to do today because, you know, I had the grandbaby, you know what I'm saying? I had the grandbaby. I'd be having fun with the grandbaby, you know what I'm saying? So I didn't get around to putting the door handles in. That's what I really wanted to do. I really wanted to put the chrome door handles in, but I am going to set y'all up, and I'm going to put the, ooh, it's windy. I'm going to go ahead and put the Movitor headlights in. I'm going to go ahead and put those in, and I might just snap to it, you know what I'm saying, because I already got the lights in the grill, and all I got to do is just take the grill off, put the new lights on, and then put the new grill in and plug everything up. So, you know, I already drilled the holes and stuff. I'll do a little before and after, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'll go ahead and do it before and after right here. Yeah, they look good. I'm still in a toss-up. I really don't know if I want to do the chrome everything. And, you know, when I went to go get the chrome bumper from the guy, he told me that he was sick and he didn't feel like doing it, or he didn't feel like moving. Whatever. you know, money is money, whether you're sick or not. You know what I'm saying? Just tell me what I need, that way I can keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? But you know, some people I can't make some people do stuff. I can't make anybody do anything. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like can't nobody make me do nothing. So I guess it's gonna be chrome grill, and I want to hold off on the bumper because I'm still in the toss-up. I think I want to do a chrome bumper, a smooth bumper with no, because as y'all can see, the impact strip goes right there, and somebody already deleted the impact strip. I don't know if I want to put the impact strip back on it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw that chrome grill and the lights on there, and we're gonna run them and see what it do. All right, I got that mug on there. Yeah, I got that mug on there, and I don't know if I like it or not yet, gang. I mean, I don't know if I like it or not. I mean, it's still kind of wearing on me. You know what I'm saying? Maybe once I get the chrome, bumper on there, maybe it'll snap me into it. But it's taking some getting used to. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and bam. What do y'all think, man? I mean, I still got the white one over there. You know what I'm saying? And I may just respray the white one and switch out the lights and put the lights in that one. And, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know, man. It's weird. It's weird. It's weird for me. You know what I'm saying? It's real weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut them on for y'all. That way y'all can see them. Yeah. The lights is always gonna look good. I'm just in a toss-up of the grill. That's the problem I'm having. Like, is the grill the one? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, I hope y'all enjoy this little bit of content I'm bringing y'all this weekend. I mean, I've been kind of like real busy this weekend, you know what I'm saying? So I just slid out here and throwing y'all some content out there, man. And you know, this truck right here, it's got rock lights all the way around it. It's got rock lights in each fender well. I haven't hooked them up yet. They was hooked up, but you know, I can't have nothing that's all janky hooked up, you know what I'm saying? So I snatched all the wires off of them. I cut all the wires. So maybe I'll rewire them. These right here, maybe they work. I don't know. I haven't tried them yet. But as you can see, the wires are there. So I may do that. I don't know yet. But anyway, those of y'all still here watching this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. That way you notify whenever I drop another video. And with that being said, I think I'm gonna end this video right here because it's cold and I'm finna get in the house because I gotta work tomorrow. Yeah, I gotta work tomorrow. So, peace.